Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders online. While official online support for many games has ended, there are still ways to connect with friends. We will cover the remaining official options and explore clever unofficial methods. You can team up for adventures or race against others, bringing your favorite Skylanders to life in new ways. For official online play, Skylanders Superchargers is your primary option. It allows two players to enjoy the story campaign together or race against up to 3 other players. Imaginators also offers online racing. These modes are still accessible on PlayStation 4 and Xbox One consoles, providing a direct way to connect with other Portal masters. PlayStation users have another option with SharePlay. This feature lets one player stream Skylanders Superchargers to a friend, who then joins as a virtual second player. Your friend doesn't even need the game or figures. It's a fantastic way to experience cooperative play, requiring only a PlayStation Plus subscription for the host. Beyond official servers, PC emulation with tools like Dolphin and Parsec can bring online play to the first 4 Skylanders games. For newer titles, Xbox Remote Play offers a way to play cooperatively online by sharing a console stream. Both unofficial methods require a bit of setup and a stable internet connection for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.